Imagine stepping back in time, walking through lush green gardens dotted with statues of the gods, as the scent of rosemary wafts through the air. In ancient Rome and Greece, beauty and health were deeply intertwined with nature, and one herb in particular stood out as a secret weapon: rosemary. Welcome to the Herbal Doctor. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of how ancient civilizations used rosemary oil not only as a symbol of vitality, but as a powerful ingredient for hair growth and scalp health. This is more than a tutorial. It's a journey through centuries of wisdom that's as relevant today as it was thousands of years ago. Let's start in ancient Rome. For the Romans, rosemary wasn't just an herb for cooking, it symbolized vitality and health. Roman women used it in beauty rituals, and Roman baths often included rosemary to invigorate the senses. They believed in tapping into the plant's essence for strength and rejuvenation. Traveling east to ancient Greece, rosemary takes on another layer of significance. The Greeks revered it as a gift from Aphrodite, the goddess of beauty. They used it not only to enhance memory, but also to improve blood circulation, key to a healthy scalp and vibrant hair. For the Greeks, beauty started with a holistic approach, and rosemary was at the heart of it. So how can you recreate their age-old practices at home? Let's make rosemary oil using a method inspired by these ancient rituals. Here's what you'll need: half a cup of olive oil, the liquid gold of ancient Rome, renowned for its nourishing properties. 2 tablespoons of dried rosemary leaves, a nod to Greek medicine. And optionally, a few drops of essential rosemary oil to amplify the effect. Here's how to prepare it. Begin by heating the olive oil on low heat. As the Romans believed, gentle preparation preserves the oil's natural qualities. Add the rosemary leaves and let them simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Picture Greek healers doing the same, extracting every ounce of the herb's goodness. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool. As it rests, the essence of rosemary infuses into the oil, creating a golden remedy for your hair. Strain the mixture and store it in a glass container, ready for your next hair care ritual. Now let's use it the ancient way. Apply a few drops to your scalp and massage gently. Imagine Greek philosophers discussing the importance of blood circulation as you do this. The massage stimulates your scalp, just as they believed. Leave it on for 30 minutes to absorb its benefits, then wash it out. But what makes rosemary oil so effective? Modern science backs what the ancients already knew. It improves scalp circulation, strengthening hair follicles, and promoting growth. It fights dandruff while keeping your scalp hydrated. And its antioxidant properties prevent hair loss, giving you thicker, healthier strands over time. As you massage this ancient remedy into your hair, know that you're connecting to a tradition dating back millennia. You're unlocking the secrets of Roman vitality and Greek beauty, merging their wisdom with the tools of today. So why not give it a try? Strong, healthy hair is just a few drops away. And the best part, it's all natural, rooted in the knowledge of generations past. At the Herbal Doctor, we're committed to bringing ancient remedies to your modern life. Join us as we continue to explore the treasures of nature and history, one remedy at a time. Follow us for more herbal rituals, and don't forget, healthy roots mean beautiful hair.